YouTube, what's going on? This is JT back in my garage time. Back in my garage time. Back in my garage time.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Happy Monday. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a good weekend, and I hope your Monday started off as you wanted to, because you know Mondays can be rough. So as I mentioned last night in my video that I was going to do an unboxing video, so that's what I'm going to do now, unboxing video, and I'm going to do it on a Nova AMT. Now the box says somewhere back there that it's a 72 Nova. Um, I can't look at a Nova and call a year on it, uh, unless it's a 66, around, I can guess it, but I just can't look at a Nova and just tell you, oh, that's a 72 or 73, I can't do that. So, but anyway, the box said it's a 72. So, um, we're going to unbox and take a look at it. Now, the packages are already open. I open them up to prepare for this video as usual. So, and you got two different engine options, and look like you got different wheel options too as well. So we'll see. Both engines are let's see, one of them is a 350 and one is a 454. So we'll see what happens. So as of right now, we're gonna put that box there. I'm gonna take everything out. Well, no. Let's see. So do stuff in I like to do stuff in order. So I went ahead and left it in the box because even though that I opened all the packages, this is exactly how it was laying in the box. So here it is. So the chrome tree was first. So we're gonna take a quick look at the chrome tree. All right. So right off the top, we have some valve covers and an oil pan, and we have the custom rims here. Those are nice. We have a chrome fan. My first time seeing that. Got a starter here. Look like some shocks here, and there's two carburetors. There's another set of valve covers. I'm guessing that's for the 454 because they're a little bigger. Uh, we got some suspension there. We have that front SS grill, and we have a rear bumper here, and we got the factory wheels. These wheels had the Monte Carlo and the El Camino had those type wheels on it too as well. And the style of them changed a little different because I know they had some on those Malibus as well, those the short four-door Malibus. I don't know the year of them, but anyway. So here we got the front and rear windshield, and we also have look like the full glass for the side doors and quarter windows, and we have some headlight lenses right there. And we got tail light going on right there. Now that's 66 Nova. It had the full windows too for the side. The Pro Street kit, those are wheel pins. We're not gonna take that out. Ain't nothing exciting about the wheel pin. All right. So everything was already in here. So we'll take a look at this body first. 72 Nova, molded in black already. So it's a good chance you won't have to do much to it if you want to paint it black, but clean it up a little bit and clear coat it. Let's see if I get that light shining on it. They're making it hard to see. Uh, anyway, so that's the Nova. You got the door handles and the door lock cylinder already molded into it. Got some flash in there. You'll have to sand it down. Everything else on it looks pretty decent. Don't look bad. You have the same thing here. You'll have to clean this up here. I'm guessing. Yeah, I'll clean it up. All right, so you got the interior tub. The door panels are already molded inside of it. The door handles, and I see you barely can see it, like barely, but it has a door handle there too. But you barely can see that. So here's the chassis or frame, however you want to say it. It's got the engine crater in, the cross member in it, gas tank. So that's a look at that. We're gonna put, yeah. So right here it says 72 Nova, 7 Nova. So guessing this is 72, a 7 Deuce. All right, on to the next. So we got the custom hood, and we got a roll bar here, which is, I'm gonna cut that out. The roll bar. But I'm not a roll bar guy, so I'm gonna cut that out. Anyway, so there's the hood. I don't like that. I don't like the way that looks. Maybe after I put it together, it might grow on me, but as of right now, no. So there's your dashboard. It's black, make it hard to see. Man, still can't really see. Here we go. So that's a good look at your cluster gauge. There's your glove compartment. Look like an ashtray compartment here. There's your radio at the bottom. Look like an air vent or something on it too. All right. So there's your back seat. And I bet these are for the real, but they wheel backs. And you have a steering wheel. Man, let me see if I could. That helps out a little bit, I believe. All right, you got your rear leaf springs and your drive shaft. All right, so here's the original hood, which is that's what I probably would use. The original hood with the hood vents, and this is different because I don't think I've ever built a kit that had the fender separate. So, uh, and it has a 350 on it. And it says Nova with your side marker light. So that's cool. Look like it's gonna be pretty simple to build. Nothing major. There's your front seats, and there's your engine and transmission. I don't know if I don't know which one is which. Well, I'm guessing this is the 350 because it has the there's your starter, there's your manifolds, your oil pan, there's your stock breather. So I'm guessing this is the 350. There's your intake belt and pulley assembly, and along with a set of cylinder heads, and there's a fan, and there's a timing cover with your water pump on it, and there's a distributor here. So this would be the 454 block with the cylinder heads, water pump, timing chain. You have belt and pulley assembly here. There's your firewall and a console. There's a set of headers here, and there's a battery. I can't really make out what this is yet, but this looked like it would be part of the radiator. There's a couple of shocks here. So we got dual exhaust next, and we have your in. Man, the focusing is so bad, y'all. I gotta figure out what to do about the focusing. These just don't be want to focus. So you have a set of slicks, and that's what it looks like. See, don't wanna. There we go. Drag master slicks, and we have 4 of these tires. Goodyear. So you can white letter these if you want to, but they raised letter. So yeah. So we have 2 slicks and we have 4 tires. And let's take a look at the decal sheet. All right, so we got some decals, Old Pro, Grouchy. We got license plates, Michigan license plates, 365. Nice little decal sheet. I think I would probably use this somewhere. I like how they look. So we might be thinking about another blue and black car. Who knows? We'll see. All right, so this is a 9-step. This is a 9-step. Let me get this out the way so it won't. Well, there's your tires. There's your engine, stock engine. And there's your Pro engine, a drag engine, or whatever you want to call it, the 454. There's the interior. Chassis. And that's the windows. So you see, don't put the fenders on yet. So that's interior. Man, put the hood and the grill. They still haven't said nothing about putting the fender. Oh, yeah, the fenders on. Oh, yeah, the fenders is on. So you put the fenders on after you do that. Then you put your fenders on. All right, y'all. So that's a look at the 72 Nova, which is, I think it's a nice kit. It's gonna be real nice when I'm done with it. I just don't have no ideas for it just yet. Now my ideas come with time, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. So, all right, y'all. So I got something else I got to do. So thank y'all for watching this unboxing video. If you watched the full thing, and y'all have the rest of your a good. Y'all enjoy the rest of your Monday. All right, I'm out.